I'm John Robeson, and I'm here at Robeson Service. This is a 1979 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow 2 that we are converting to electric power. And we're going to look at some of the areas that will be affected by the conversion. So here we've got a view of the rear suspension, and you can see here the rear differential is carried on a subframe. The subframe is anchored to the unibody there. It's anchored to the unibody here. You can see that there is a torque brace that goes forward, and that anchors to the chassis up here. And then you can see here are the forward subframe mounts. Here's the front part of the subframe that carries the suspension. This is very similar to the earlier Shadows, but somewhat different in the Shadow 2 than in the Shadow 1. This car is a Shadow 2, has rack and pinion power steering. So the front suspension subframe is also somewhat different. You can see that the front subframe mounts are in the same places as the Shadow 1, but because the Shadow 1 has a worm and roller steering gear and this is rack and pinion, the actual unit is different. So this is the car, and that's a walking view of underneath.